and it's a very big organ. The role of the thymus is to train T cells, The T cells, both the T cells are part of the white blood cells, which are part of the cellular components of the blood. So you have red blood cells to carry oxygen, white blood cells, that is the main components of the immune system. Among those white blood cells, the T cells, which are the ones that do the cell-mediated fighting, are trained to recognize self in the thymus. The thymus is very important all the way to adolescence. After adolescence, the thymus starts becoming atrophiated and becomes reabsorbed, and it becomes non-functional. Why? Because the first thing that the developing immune system wants to do is to train the immune system cells to recognize self before they try to eliminate non-self. So the role of the immune system is to basically get rid of any foreign material, whether it's a virus, a bacteria, a piece of dirt, whatever it is, pollen. But before the T cells know what's foreign, they have to recognize self. And that occurs in the thymus. Now, if you come to see, if you ever had kids, when do the kids are more sick? When they're babies or in high school? When they're babies, when they're going to pre-K, when they're going to the nursery, they are always coming home with runs. They always have a flu. They always have a kind of virus, and they're always sick. Why? Because for the first time they encounter the immune system. They encounter the world. So now their T cells are now recognizing foreign antigens, and in the process, the kid gets sick. As we mature, we more or less have been exposed to billions and billions of antigens around us. And then it comes a point in our life where our immune system have more or less seen most of the things around us, and from that point in time, the thymus becomes inactive and starts being reabsorbed. Any question about the thymus?
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Children born with HIV.
Okay.
Is that how they're able to? Maria, this is not an interview.
Yeah, and that's a big that is a big problem.
Because I know some kids can actually get it sometimes they can
From
get
the-
it in
from the
sometimes they're
placenta,
born
yes.
immune.
No.
They're really immune, but they don't have it within them.
Because it doesn't go through. Okay, the
Okay.
placenta.
Okay, because it doesn't go through. I was wondering
Correct.
if it had to do something with.
Well, I have to pass the placenta to infect the baby. Okay, so the kid can be born HIV positive or negative.
That depends.
There's a higher risk of having HIV positive baby if the mother is HIV positive. There's always a chance that the virus will not go through the placental barrier. Chance.
Okay.
And even when the baby is born, if the baby have not been infected in utero during the birthing process, because so much blood is
Oh,
around,
that sucks.
some of the blood from the mother
Will
might
infect them.
contaminate an HIV baby. Okay? All right. In here, that's another good photo about the
Stuff.
thyroid.